friends, welcome to BTC Learning. Today we're going to learn decimal, unlike decimal. So what is unlike decimal? It's a decimal number that has decimal places that are different. For example, our first example, 8.7 plus 9.234 plus 17.94. As you see over here, this number has one decimal place. This number has 3 decimal places. This number has 2 decimal places. None of them have the same amount of decimal place. 1, 3. How do we change this to like decimal number? So, we're going to look at what has the most decimal place number. It's this number. This has 2, this has 1. So we're going to add 2 zeros, so this has 3 decimal places. So it's going to be 0.700 plus, we're going to keep this the same, so it has 3 decimal numbers, decimal places, 9.234 plus 17. We're going to add another 0, so it can be 3 decimal places, 940. Now if you look over here, every number here has 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Our next example is 72.4 plus 19.23 plus 49.105. Again, all the decimals have different decimal places. This one has 1, this one has 2, this one has 3. Now, we have to look at the biggest amount of, the number that has the biggest amount of decimal places, which is this number. It has 3 decimal places, while this has 2 and this has 1. So, to make 3 decimal places, you need to have 2 more decimal places. So, instead of adding numbers, we're going to add zeros, which makes it 72.400 plus. This has 2 decimal places, so you need just 1 more decimal place to make 3 decimal places, which means it is 19.230 plus. We're going to keep this the same because it has 3 decimal places, so 49.105. You see over here, all those decimals have 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.